Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another TRENDSEND box for you. So for a while I was getting TRENDSENDs every month, but then I decided that I need to back off on that and I switched it to like seasonal, I guess, or yeah, I guess, because I think it's every 3 months. So anyway, I just got my first box in a long time. Let me show you what I got. In case you are new to TRENDSEND, there is no styling fee, which is super nice. And I guess they gear it toward moms, but it's not like it's mom clothes. I don't know. Anyway, I like that there's no styling fee. They send you the clothes, you try them on, you send back what you don't want, you keep what you do, and you pay for it. So, they sent me 2 outfits. The first one includes this top that I'm wearing right now. This is from Sanctuary, and this is the Kenzie Ruched top, and it's in this beautiful navy color. I love the little ruching right here. You know, I mean, it's like a thermal material. It's nice and soft. It fits really well. It's kind of stretchy. It's just super cozy, and I love the little detail of the ruching. I think it just adds that little extra oomph of loveliness and girliness. So they sent this with some Spanx faux leather Moto leggings. Now, I've gotten these leggings before. In fact, it was last November they sent me these Moto leggings from Spanx, and I loved them. I bought them. I own those pants. So I was like, you know, on the one hand, I'm like, dude, you sent me a style from a year ago. Don't you have anything new? And on the other hand, I'm like, okay, well, obviously they know my style. I do like these, and, you know, I bought them in the past, but you didn't notice that you sent them to me before? You know, I mean, I was kind of going back and forth on it. So I emailed them and I was like, hi, so you sent me these before. I bought them. Can I exchange them for something else? Because usually their exchanges are just for a different size or a different color in whatever they've already sent you. But those pants only come in the one color, and I didn't need a different size. So anyway, they said because they've already sent them to me, they would make an exception to their rule and let me pick out some other Spanx pants. So I have some options here, and I'm kind of thinking either the camo ones or the distressed denim. The distressed denim ones are new and they're also a little bit more expensive, but my other jeggings are kind of falling apart, so I do need some new ones, and I really like the Spanx fit of my Moto leggings. So let me know what you guys think. Should I go for the camo ones or should I go for the denim ones? And then I can just exchange these for those and it'll be great. And I do have a discount on all of the things they sent me thanks to you guys for using my referral code. And that's just a TRENDSEND thing. If anybody signs up for TRENDSEND, you can give your referral code to a friend and then you will get 20% off of your next purchase when they sign up, which is super nice. So anyway, thank you to you guys for using my referral code. So I get 20% off. So that's why an exchange is better than just going onto the Evereve site and buying them straight out, because this way I get 20% off. Okay, so anyway, enough with that story. So this top, the faux leather Moto leggings, and then a Heartloom Eli sweater cardigan. So this is the cardigan. It's a wonderful cardigan. You know, I feel like I'm not into cardigans right now. I'm just going through a phase. So I probably won't get this one, but I do think it's a lovely, lovely piece. And it's just so soft and fuzzy and cozy. I mean, like, I could totally just cuddle this all winter long. Okay, so then for outfit number 2, I feel like they used to send me 3 outfits. Maybe not. Okay, so a t-shirt from Soul Angeles, the Grateful ringer. Let me tuck this in so you can actually see it. So it's just a t-shirt that says Grateful on it, and it is super cozy. It's nice and stretchy. It fits really well. It's kind of cute. I like the color scheme. But this t-shirt is $78. I am not going to pay that, even with a 20% discount. That is insanely expensive for a t-shirt. I don't care how nice it is, it's a freaking t-shirt, and I'm not buying it. I'm just saying. Okay, so anyway, option number 2 for the shirt. This one is from Lush, and it is a knit Placket top, and this one is cute. I love the material on this. It's very lightweight and it just sort of drapes nicely. It's a little bit stretchy, and I do like the hem on it, the way that it kind of flows, and you can tuck it in if you want to or leave it out. You know, I feel like this is a nice, like, easy breezy, comfy, but still kind of nice looking shirt, you know what I mean? And then the pants they sent are from Articles of Society. And what's the name of these? They're Sarah ankle skinny with raw hem, and they're this like burgundy color, and they're still like a denim, you know, but it's like a thin, stretchy, and they do have that raw hem. And these ones are only $68, which is nice. And then with my 20% discount code, they come to $54.40. So I feel like that's a decent price for these pants. And I really do like Articles of Society. I have a couple other pants from them. Okay, so anyway, those are the pieces that I got. Let me know what you guys think, what you would have kept, what you thought looked best on me, what should I keep? And definitely let me know which of the Spanx pants I should get. I'm on the fence. If it were up to me, I would have them all. I freaking love me some Spanx. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!